What's up, gamers? I'm here with some more Civilization 6 tips. This is how you win a space race victory with Yongle, the new leader in the Chinese Civilizations pack. So, what you want to do is build your space station, and then there's a project called the Launch Lagrange Laser Station. That lets your exoplanet expedition get to where it wants to go faster. And if you want to build these even faster, in your government center, there's a building called the Royal Society. That's your third-tier building, and that'll let you use your builders to feed production into your space center to build the Lagrange laser stations even faster. Now, as you can see, I've traveled 32 out of 33.5 light years, and right now I'm traveling 8 light years per turn. So I pretty much won as soon as I click the next turn button. But first, what you want to do is declare war on Canada. Whatever causes belli is good. We'll go territorial expansion. Whatever, $5 bill, bitch. And then what you want to do is nuke the fucking shit out of Winnipeg. Die, 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 Winnipeg, die, fuckers, die. Oh, fuck yeah. Let's do it again. Oh, yeah. Ooh, here comes another one, you little fucking pieces of shit. You worthless fucking city. Fuck yeah. Fuck. Oh, let's do it again. And again. Yeah, you pieces of shit. You fucking worthless scumbag piece of fuck. Fucking die. Shit fucks. Fucking garbage fuck city. Fucking pieces of shit. You all deserve to fucking nuked over and over again. Fucking die. Fuck. Fucking nukes, man. Yeah. Oh. And once you've thoroughly vaporized Winnipeg, you can just stroll right in. Seems there's still nukes launching, sorry. And then, raise what's left of the ashes. And there we go. Space race victory. And that's how you do it. Thanks for tuning in.